Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Sometimes it is better not to do anything. As we have seen for DMT, it was better not to do anything in this price action that we had. We didn't achieve and we didn't get past above the 2.77. Do you remember that we had it as a major price target and of course we needed to close above? Yes, of course, we couldn't close above on the daily and on the 4-hour frame, as you can see right here, and eventually we fell all the way down, losing even the 2.34. What is next right now for GMT against USDT chart after having the correction towards the 50-day exponential moving average? Are we going to go further down or are we going to eventually have a pump up? Now times are a little bit uncertain. Okay, so an altcoin has to be very strong against Bitcoin chart in order to go higher. If it is not so strong, then I think that a massive correction will be coming, especially if Bitcoin closes below 34k. If Bitcoin closes below 34k, then it is very unlikely that any altcoin will be going higher, because Bitcoin could go below 28,000 Tether USD. Of course, right now for GMT against Bitcoin chart, what we need to do actually is to stay strong. Although I do not think this will be the case for GMT against Bitcoin chart as well. Let's find some important support levels, and we are going to draw the Fibonacci from the bottom to the top. You can see that we found the 0.5 rejection rate here, and we are going to go close to the 0.406027. That means that only if Bitcoin goes up in USDT, then GMT can maybe go higher. But if Bitcoin goes down, GMT will correct furthermore. This is for the next few days, not for the next hours. If I wanted to go to the 4-hour frame, I would have some more support levels from this bottom right here up to this top. And you can see that if we lose on the short term this line right here, then we are going down to all the way to the 0.406202. The first line I was talking about is the 0.406863. If we can manage to close above the 0.407692, this will be great for TMT against Bitcoin chart, and we are going to go even higher. These are the short-term price targets, but I think that eventually we will be going all the way down into the next days to 0.406202. This will mean for GMT against USD chart, if we are going to look for short-term and long-term, actually mid-term price targets, then I believe that we are going to lose the 50-day EMA. We are going down to the 2 USDT again, and not only that, we can manage to pull off a 1.50 USDT. That sounds harsh, and I know that most of you have bought at the top, but this is what it is. Okay, I cannot tell you anything else because this is the truth. The truth is that probably we are going to go further down. 2 USDT is one major support level along with the 2.15, a more mediocre support level, yet it is kind of important. If we fall down though from these two lines, then be certain that we are going all the way down to the 1.5 and eventually even further down. So for GMT against USDT chart on the daily frame, I do not think that things are looking good. On the other hand, if we go to the 4-hour frame for the short term, then we are having some more targets. The 2.22 is a very strong support line, along with the 2.14. Around there, we might be having a nice buying pressure, because we are already into an oversold situation with the common channel index. RSI is going down there, but eventually it won't be something spectacular. We are going maybe to have a buying pressure around this area towards the 50-day EMA, or a 10%, 15% pump up, nothing more, nothing less. Do not think that GMT will go up all the way to the previous all-time high. It can't happen, it won't happen. Okay, so we are going to go further down. On the short term, these are the targets right there. If we go and have a buying pressure, we can eventually go a little bit higher, but I suggest you just to observe the market for now. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription on Patreon/MindYourCrypto to prepare yourself for everything, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.